Good day and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you on another property tour of another home I just listed on the outskirts of San Antonio, Texas. This is a 2-story home, 3 bedrooms with 2.5 baths. So if you're thinking of moving to San Antonio, Texas or in the surrounding areas, stick around for the tour. Let's get started right now. I am Kathy Tate, a licensed realtor here in San Antonio, Texas and the surrounding areas. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to know everything there is to know about living in San Antonio, subscribe below, tap the notification bell, and you'll be the first to know about the current market here in San Antonio, Texas. As I mentioned, we're going on a property tour today of a home I just listed on the outskirts of San Antonio. It's located in Del Valley. This is about 14 miles outside of Austin, which means it's still close enough to Austin that you can enjoy many of the amenities within the city. Let's get started with the tour. Thank you for tuning into the channel today. I hope you've enjoyed the property tour. If you have any questions of any homes that I have listed or any of the other available homes for sale here in San Antonio, Texas and surrounding areas, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, all in the description below, and I'm happy to assist you with your home buying or your home selling needs.